Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO. I'm very happy to be sharing with you 3120 Delaware here in Stockton. This is unit number 10. This is a collaboration between ReLISTO and Redwood Property Management. So let's come on in and view this beautiful 2-bedroom apartment that has just been worked on and has beautiful white plank vinyl flooring, lots of closet space, modern kitchen. Let's come around here. So this is a really big space. You have a dining room right here. So you have that open concept living area. You have stainless appliances, 5-burner range, refrigerator, garbage disposal, double sink, which is super convenient, lots of cabinet space. And then what's really nice is you have this little outdoor area. And you unlock that. And so you can have like a little garden here if you want, or playset or whatever have you. These are double pane windows, so which is super nice because double pane windows keep the warmth in and the sound out. You have a fan here. And let's go over here because this is a half bathroom. So if you have guests, if you're downstairs and you use the sink and toilet, it's right here. As you can see, all very new. And let's open this closet. Bam, big closet. Gotta love those. So you have things to store, personal belongings, that's games, whatever have you, whatever you do in the living room. That's a great place to put them, blankets, name it. Top floor is 2 bedrooms. The corner here is again a beautiful bathroom, all freshly painted. The tub is spotless, and I believe it's brand new. We'll have to check on that, but a lot of the things that you're seeing here are brand new, as we just did a turnover here. Bedroom number 1, and this has a nice size closet. Hang your clothes. Again, lots of sun coming in through here. This one has a ceiling light, which is convenient. Linens, we got you covered. Lots of closet space, cabinet space right here. And then we have the primary bedroom, just because it's a little bigger, and it has this really nice walk-in closet. So again, space is not lacking in this apartment. If you're interested, please use the links below that we have in the video, and we look forward to giving you a tour. I mean, this is a beautiful property, freshly new, and we look forward to seeing you and perhaps having you live here. All right, thanks a lot.